For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're planning your next trip and want luggage that actually performs, let me walk you through the Coolife Luggage 3-piece set suitcase spinner hardshell. I've personally used this set during a week-long trip that included 2 connecting flights, and it held up better than I expected, even with airport handling. The set includes 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch upright suitcases, and what I found super practical is how they nest inside each other. After my trip, storing them was a breeze. I just slid them into my closet as one compact unit. Made from 100% ABS, these cases are lightweight yet solid. My 28-inch bag came off the carousel without a single scratch, which says a lot if you've ever traveled through a busy airport like LAX. Now, let's talk about the wheels, 360-degree spinner wheels that roll super smoothly. I remember sprinting through the airport once with the carry-on, and it moved so effortlessly I almost forgot I was pulling it. There's also a TSA-approved lock, and I appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing my items are safe without risking a broken zipper from security checks. The telescoping aluminum handle is easy to grip and adjusts at just the right height. During my trip, I was rolling 2 pieces at once, and the handle didn't feel flimsy or loose, something I've dealt with before in cheaper luggage. Inside, there's a square full-capacity interior with a mesh zip pocket and elastic straps. That design actually helped me stay organized. I used the mesh to keep toiletries in one place, and the straps kept my clothes from shifting, which saved me from doing any mid-trip ironing. One quick heads up, only the family set comes with 4 pieces. This is the 3-piece version, so make sure to read the listing carefully before placing your order. From one traveler to another, what makes this set reliable is its practicality, durable design, and ease of use. There are no bells and whistles. Just a well-made set that handles real-world travel without stress. If you're someone who flies occasionally or even frequently, like I do, this set should meet your needs without overcomplicating things.